Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.